Hi, welcome to the Corbettmaths Numeracy 5-a-day answers for the 27th of March. If you want a hint on one particular question, feel free to pause the video now, jot down the video number, watch that video on Corbettmaths, and then give that question a try. Okay, so we're now going to go through the answers. So our first question, it says a pizza costs £7.35 and Jim pays with a £10 note. And the question says, how much change should he receive? So we've got £10, I like to write that in pence, and we've got a pizza which is £7.35. And we're going to take those away. Now whenever I'm taking away, obviously here 0 take away 5 we can't do, so we need to borrow, but we've got a couple of zeros, so we're going to cross out the 1, call it 0, put a 1 there so it's 10, cross that out so it's now 9, put a 1 there so it's 10, cross that out so it's 9, put the 1 there so it's a 10. So 10 take away 5 is equal to 5, 9 take away 3 is equal to 6, and 9 take away 7 is equal to 2. And that's it. So our answer, how much change should he receive? £2.65. Our next question is an angles in a triangle question, and the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So the question says work out the size of the angle x. So because we've been given two angles, we're going to add these two angles together first of all and take it away from 180. So we've got 58 plus 45. And when we do that, we get, well, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, so put the 3 down, carry the 1. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is equal to 10, so it's going to be 103 degrees. When we add these two angles together, we get 103 degrees. But we want to see how many degrees are left, so what this angle is here, the angle x. So we've got 180, subtract 103. And when we do that, we get, well, 0 take away 3 we can't do, so we'll borrow, we'll call that a 7 and call that 10. 10 take away 3 is 7, 7 take away 0 is 7, and 1 take away 1 is 0. So the answer would be 77 degrees. Okay, let's have a look at our next question. So our next question says, 4 tickets for a trip cost a total of £700. Work out the cost of one ticket. Well, if we know that 4 tickets cost £700, if we divide 700 by 4, we will get the cost of one ticket. So we're going to do 700 divided by 4, and when we do that, we get, well, 700 divided by 4. 4 into 7 goes once, remainder 3. 4 into 30, well, that's going to go 7 times because 7 fours is equal to 28, so 7 times, remainder 2. And 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So the cost of one ticket would be £175. Okay, let's have a look at our next question now. So our next question asks us to draw a 155-degree angle. To do that, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a ruler and you're going to need a protractor. So the first thing I would do is I would draw a line. So let's put a line down on your page, something like that. And then you're going to get your protractor. Now here, I'm going to draw the angle on this right-hand side of the line, just because I've got a bit more space there. And I'm going to make sure the cross of the protractor is on the end of the line and the line's flat along the line there. Okay, now we want to draw an angle of 155 degrees, which is an obtuse angle. So we're going to start from 0 here, and we're going to go around to 155 degrees and then put a dot. So 0, then all the way around, 80, 90, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155 would be here. So I'm going to put a dot there, and I'm going to move my protractor away, and then I'm going to get a ruler, and I'm just going to connect up the end of the line that we had the cross of the protractor on over to that point, and that means that that angle that we've drawn is 155 degrees. Okay, our next question. Our next question says shown as a cube. So here we've got a cube, and the question is how many faces does a cube have? Well, that's quite a nice question because obviously if you roll the dice, you'll know the 6 faces on a dice. So the answer is 6. And then the next question says how many edges does the cube have? So I'm going to start off with the base of the cube and work my way around. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8 going up, 9, 10, 11, 12 going around. So the cube has got 12 edges.